Is your 2020-2022 Toyota Supra key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is a simple process that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through each step. The 2020-2022 Toyota Supra key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. It's widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Ensure you purchase a genuine CR2032 battery for optimal performance. Avoid cheap, generic batteries as they may not last as long or provide consistent power. You'll need minimal tools for this replacement: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool designed for key fobs. A plastic tool is preferred to avoid scratching the fob casing. You might also want a soft cloth to protect the fob while you're working on it. Locate the small seam on the side of the key fob, typically opposite the buttons. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this seam. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips holding it together. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. Usually the positive plus side faces up. Use your fingernail or the tip of the screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to short-circuit the battery against any metal components. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive side with the plus symbol is facing up, just like the old battery was oriented. Make sure the battery is securely seated in the holder without any gaps. Incorrect polarity can damage the key fob circuit board, so always double-check the orientation before inserting. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure all the clips are securely fastened. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your Supra. The car should respond immediately. If it doesn't, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is making good contact. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try cleaning the battery contacts with a cotton swab. If problems persist, the fob may need reprogramming at a Toyota dealership, though this is rare. Always use a genuine CR2032 battery to ensure proper function. Remember to dispose of old batteries properly at a recycling center. DIY replacement saves you money and keeps you on the road.